how to add a 3D wallpaper on your iPhone. So first of all, make sure that you are updated to iOS 26. And then after that, simply get to your lock screen. For that, you can either scroll down from the top left, or you can simply lock your phone just like this. And after doing that, long press on your lock screen. Then you'll have to unlock your phone. And then from here, you can simply tap on the plus icon right here. And then from here, tap on photos and simply select the photos of your liking. For example, I'm going to go with this particular photo. I'm going to tap on it. And after doing that, here you can see the wallpaper has been set. And then from here, all you need to do is tap on this icon, which is beside the three-dot bar right here. Tap on it. And then it will take a few seconds in order to generate. And here you can see we have successfully generated the 3D wallpaper. All you need to do is here move your phone just like this. Here you can see we have successfully created the 3D effect. And in order to save it, all you need to do is tap on the add option right here. And if you want to customize your home screen, you can do that, or you can set it as a pair. Tap on set as wallpaper pair. And again, tap on this wallpaper. And just like this, we have now successfully created ourselves 3D wallpaper on our iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.